Welcome to Top 4 Earn Channel.
Maybe you want to start a YouTube channel right now, but you have no idea what niche to choose or what to make videos about. You probably want to get a lot of views and subscribers so you can make money online. Maybe quit your job, travel the world with just your laptop, but you have no idea how to find an easy niche where you don't have to film yourself on camera. You don't want to spend hours researching and editing the video. And you don't want to just post video after video and they get like 5 views. And also, you might think that even if you build up the courage to post videos, there is something about you that people just don't want to watch your videos. Maybe you think you aren't charismatic enough, or everybody else is more likable than you, and you have never even made a single video before, so you don't really know how or if you can do it. But I want to ask you, if you find a great niche that you can make a lot of money in as easy as possible, when will you take action? Because in today's video, I want to show you a really good niche that you can do right now, and all you need to do is make similar videos like this. You will not become rich overnight. This is not a push button solution or get rich quick. You can go and watch Ty Lopez for that. But if you want to just keep posting just a couple of videos every week until one of them takes off and gets you 100,000 views, everything becomes so easy because you've broken into the YouTube algorithm, and you just need to keep up the momentum and just let the snowball keep going down. You'll be making hundreds of dollars per day on YouTube, so you can quit your job or travel the world or spend more time with your family and kids. But most importantly, being able to live a life of freedom and abundance. And in today's video, we're gonna go over the term guided meditation. So just sit back, relax, and I'll promise you that you can find this strategy to make money online, and you can accomplish your wildest dreams, all right? But before we begin, make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel, because if you don't, we'll never go to Bali and go on a meditation retreat together. You always talk about how much you want to do that, so if you don't slap the subscribe button and smash the like button, that's never going to happen. So I know you guys don't want to have a video where you show your face and stuff like that. And that's why these meditation channels are really simple to get into for basically anyone that can either talk into a microphone or want to hire others to do the voiceover for them. But I found a couple of videos right here that we're going to check out. So this one is called Let Go of Anxiety, Fear and Worries, a guided meditation. And you might have seen these videos before. They're really simple. Basically the entire video, as you can see, is just this background. Nothing really changes the entire thing. And in the background, he's literally just talking like this. You probably heard any of these guided meditations, just like scanning your body, relaxing down, and stuff like that. The second one is Unlock Your Magic. And once again, this is just the same image over and over again. You can see that he's getting like 700,000 views. And also this other one, which is just him relaxing on a beach with a stock video going over and over again. And this video right here, Let Go of Anxiety, Fear and Worries, this channel is making anywhere from 7,000 to 60,000 per month, getting 5 million views every 30 days. Now you might think like, okay, how am I gonna do this? I need to have this background image, some background music, and also the meditations. Like, what even is that? Well, what I recommend is that you go on fiverr.com, and here you can literally search for people that want to do this for you. So I just search meditation script in the top right here, and you can see that I will provide powerful meditation scripts for commercial use. This guy, I will record your guided meditation script. You can see that for just $5, he will write a guided meditation or hypnosis script. And all of these videos and gigs are very cheap for you to do. It's literally, you can come in here and hire people to do all the work for you, or you can obviously do it yourself. I basically tallied up all the gigs and found like average price. So if they want to make the entire video for you, the script, the voiceover, background video, and music, that's going to cost you $30 if you don't want to do anything yourself. And I'm going to show you how you can easily make this back if you just stick along with me on this video. And the second is that they make the script and voiceover, and you make the background video and music, and that's going to cost you $15. And third is that they do the script, you do the voiceover, background video and music, and then you have this where you make everything. And I highly recommend that you actually outsource the script, because it takes you literally just a couple of minutes to read the script, and you don't have to be creative or anything. You just follow the script, and then I'm going to show you how to actually get the background video and music right now. But I want you to look at this and visualize yourself. Are you going to write the entire script and do the voiceover into what I recommend in the beginning is your phone, and you can get a really high quality audio from just your phone. But if you do have some money to invest in yourself, you can literally pay $15 and then the script and the voiceover, and you can literally just follow the tutorial that I'm about to show you, and you could be making videos like this. Before we continue, I highly recommend that you subscribe to this channel, because if you don't, we're never gonna go to Bali and go to a meditation retreat together. You always talk about how much you want to do that, so make sure you slap that subscribe button, smash the like button, and also if you want free software, comment "I want free software" in the comments down below. Alright, so here's what you need to do. Go over to this website called pexels.com. As you can see, they have a lot of free images that you can use, and we're gonna just go over here and search for relax. And here you can see all these beautiful images that you could be using in your videos. And you can even go further and search for nature and stuff like that, mountains, grass, and all these to put in your videos. So we're going to go onto this picture. We're just going to click on free download right here, and you can see in the lower hand corner that it's downloaded right now. The second thing you need to do to find audio is to go to youtube.com/audio library. Here you can find audio that you can download for free and use in any YouTube video. And you can see right here, if you click on attribution, click on attribution not required. And then we're going to go into mood, and we're going to have calm. Now we are going to listen to this one that's called the inner sound. It's basically a 15-minute long audio. So what we're going to do is that we're going to download this one as well. And you can see that they're both downloading right now. And all we need to do is put them into a video editing software. And if you look at the 4 levels of automation chart, you know that if you basically make them do the script and the voiceover, you only have to pay $15 for that. But if you want to read the script in yourself, I highly recommend you use this software I'm going to show you right now. This is called DaVinci Resolve 16, and they literally just put this out for free so people can use it for free. And in my opinion, it's better than Premiere Pro. It's better than Final Cut Pro that you have for Mac. And it's because I don't know what Premiere is doing. I'm always getting these lags, all this stuff that's just not working. This one is just so snappy, so fast, and it works so simply. And I paid like $700 for the entire Adobe pack, but now I'm literally using DaVinci Resolve more than I am Premiere Pro, and I'm just using the free version. So I highly recommend you click right here to download now, and I'm going to show you how we're going to make this video right now. So here it's just loaded, and what we're going to do is click on new project, and then we can call it guided meditation. Just click on create. So we're actually going to go back and oh wait, I actually got a message from the spiritual leader Alan Watts.
Andy Hafel is the most woke no BS YouTube expert I have ever seen. Nobody I have ever seen has higher levels of wokeness. He is traveling the world and everything he touches becomes woke.
Thank you, Alan. I'm trying my best, you know. So we're gonna just drag this clip right here into media pool that it's called, and then we're gonna have the image. We're just gonna drag that over here as well. And all you really need to do is drag this image on top of the timeline right here, and just like that you can see that the video is this long now, which is like 5 seconds. And then we're gonna take the inner sound, and you can see that is a little bit longer. So what we're gonna do is that we're gonna zoom out by scrolling down, and then we're gonna drag this one out. So just hold right here, and then we're gonna just keep on going all the way to the end of this video. Also, we are going to basically click right here, or click this one, click on this and transform. Because we have these black bars on the left and the right, we don't like that, so we're gonna just zoom in a little bit. Now another thing to make it even better is just to click the inspector right here, and then we're gonna pull all the way to the left, which is the beginning of the video, and we're going to click this little button right here, and that is called a keyframe. And then we're going to pull all the way to the right, and we are going to bump up the zoom level a little bit. So now what happens is that in the beginning it's full frame, and then at the end it's just zoom in a little bit, just to make it zoom in, make it a little bit animating, you know. Now if you wanted to add your audio, you could add the audio clip under here of you doing the meditation. Other than that, just click all the way at the end, click on O, and now we've selected everything that we want to render. Click all the way at the top right here, file, and then export, or quick export I mean. And here you can see that you can literally click on YouTube. You can sign in to publish directly to YouTube. And I want to ask you, isn't this really easy? Isn't this like child level 4th grade technical skills that you need to do? It's really simple, guys, and it doesn't need to be hard. So when I first started YouTube, I thought that everything was, or all the money you could make was from the ad revenue. And the ad revenue is basically before any video you get this ad that you can skip, and if anybody watches that, the creator of the video actually makes money from it. And I remember I was posting on this YouTube channel for a long time, and then one of my videos really took off and got me a ton of views. It actually got me 300,000 views, and it got me about $78, which is not a lot, right? Like 300,000 people and you get $78. And that's when I learned that you really have to sell something, either if it's an affiliate product or your own products. And what I found with this meditation niche is that you can actually sell more meditations on a website called Sellify. And this is basically, you can pick your own price, but he has put them at like $2, like matrix meditation, and all these different meditations. And that's gonna make your videos get a lot more money than just the ad revenue. For me personally, I started making about 7 times more money from my affiliate products that I was selling compared to the views that I was getting. And if you don't have your own products or own meditations, you can go over to this website called clickbank.com. All you need to do is search for manifest, and there's a couple of really good products. Just sort results by gravity, and here you'll see for example the brand new 2020 manifestation magic 2.0 upgraded mega hit. And what it says right here is gravity is 178, which is really high. And as you can see, you get an average sale of $34. And all you need to do to promote this is literally click right here and have your account nickname in here. And here, if anybody clicks this link, you'll make $34 if they buy. Now, just think about this for a second. If you could have this, they make the entire video for you, and then you just manage to get one sale of this affiliate product well then the entire video is paid for itself. And that's why I highly recommend you guys automate this entire channel, because one of these sales literally affords to make a new video, and that new video gets one sale, and you can get another video that gets one sale, and it's just this amazing feedback loop. Now obviously I hope that you want to make a channel like this yourself, but would you rather do this all by yourself alone, or would you rather have somebody help you through the process?